Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Google Pixel 9a, most anticipated mid-range phones of the year. So, what's new? What's changed? And is it worth your money? Let's get started. Section 1. Design and Build. The Pixel 9a maintains Google's signature minimalist design, with a few subtle upgrades. Right out of the box, you'll notice it looks a lot like the Pixel 8. Same camera visor across the back, matte finish on the aluminum rails, and that understated Google G on the rear. It's available in a few fresh colors: chalk, charcoal, and a new minty green. The phone feels sturdy, thanks to the recycled aluminum frame, and it's now IP67 rated, which means it's water and dust resistant. Finally. Section 2. Performance. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a runs on Google's Tensor G3 chip, the same processor used in the Pixel 8 series. This is a big step up from the G2 in the 7a, offering better performance and efficiency. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, the Pixel 9a handles multitasking effortlessly. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks feels fluid, and day-to-day performance? Flawless. Section 3. Camera. Let's talk about what makes the Pixel series stand out. The camera. The 9a sports a dual camera setup. A 64MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide, both with computational photography baked in. Section 4. Software and AI features. This is where the Pixel 9a starts feeling like a Pixel 8. The software. It ships with Android 14, clean and bloat-free, with all the Pixel-exclusive goodies. You've got Call Screen now playing, Recorder with live transcription, and Magic Eraser for photos, still one of my favorite features. Section 5. Battery and charging. The Pixel 9a packs a 4500 mAh battery, and thanks to that efficient chip and adaptive battery learning, it easily gets through a full day. Screen on time? Around 6 to 7 hours with mixed use. Charging is still a bit of a sore point. It's capped at 18W wired, and yes, there's no wireless charging. For some, that might be a deciding factor. Section 6. Price and final verdict. So the Pixel 9a lands at $499, putting it squarely in competition with the iPhone SE, Galaxy A55, and OnePlus Nord series. Thanks for watching.